Yo, it's your boy Nana Garage. I hope you guys are having a nice day. Right now we're out here in the garage with the Shelby GT350. Someone called it the boneless GT350. We had a pretty fun pull last night. People went crazy over this. They said it looks ugly. A lot of people said some not so nice things. I don't really care because I think it looks like shit. My boy Sick.Plaid on Instagram, he thought that it was a good idea and he thought it looked cool. So everyone go to his page and go roast him because I think we all think it looks like shit. He's the only person on this face of the earth that thinks it looks cool. I told you guys we're not keeping it like this for long. And I showed you the sneak peek in the last video. So right over here we got the Shelby GT350R style wing from Anderson Composites. So it's all carbon fiber. Check out the biceps. We're going to be putting this wing on right now. So I'm going to give you instructions of how to do it on the car. Super excited because it's definitely going to look cool. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And we also got my boy Mello Detail up in the building. Yes, sir. Go follow him on IG. What's your IG, Mello?
Mello_detail.
This fool does the cleanest details ever, bruh. I'm gonna need you to like detail this or something like once it's all complete. Wait, go hit him up if you need any detail. He's located in the Bay Area. Super good guy. But anyways, let's get to it now. The template usually comes with something like this that's plastic from Anderson Composites, so you can line up the holes over here. So I started doing that, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we do this. So the wing is sitting over here. However, there's no holes on the top side of it, which means if you flip it around like this, as you can see, you have all your holes here. So what we're doing is we're sticking this thing on right over here, and we're putting it inside of the hole. So for example, we're gonna put it inside this one. We're gonna put this down on the trunk, tape it down, then remove just the wing so we know where to put that hole. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys right now. So basically we have our masking tape right over here so we know exactly how the wing is supposed to line up, and we keep on placing it on and off of here. And the reason we're doing this is we place it on and off, and we have our cardboard cutout that I was showing you earlier. So as you can see, it's underneath right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape each end of it right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and tape this end down, and we're gonna do the same with that side. So let's go ahead and do that. So there we go. Now it's all taped down over here. So now we're just gonna go ahead and lift it up. So let's lift it up, Mello. So it's lined up, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the wing down. Now we know if we poke something through here, that should leave a little mark on our paint. So what I've been using is this thing right here. So I'm just poking it through, stabbing it wherever it marks underneath. As you can see, I have the X mark over there. I was just double checking the spot. Wherever it marks underneath is going to be where we're drilling our hole. So we have one hole here, two holes here, and then one hole right over here roughly. So we're going to mark off that last one, and we got these two done already. So once we mark off those two, we should be ready to rock and roll. So here we go. We're using a smaller bit at first, slowly working up in bit size, just so we can make the smaller holes, make them bigger, bigger, bigger. You don't want to start off with a big bit and then just go from there. So starting off small, here goes nothing. Also, kids watching, make sure you guys wear eye protection. Cool. So we finished making these holes over here, 1, 2, and 3. So now the third hole over here, you have to drill from the inside to be able to access. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open, flick it up. And as you can see over here, you have one of these things, but then I marked over here where we're gonna wanna make our other hole so we can access the hole back here, the new one that we made. So if you come over here and check it out, my shitty Harbor Freight drill keeps on dying, so shout out Harbor Freight. As you can see, the other hole is right through there. So we're slowly getting through to it. The drill just happens to keep on dying every 2 seconds, but we're close. We're getting there, making a lot of noise. But very soon now, we'll be ready to slap the R-wing on, screw that bitch in. We'll be ready to rock and roll. I think we're officially done. I kind of just fast forwarded the process, didn't show too much of it because it's pretty simple, just drilling. So we drilled it in over here. And as you can see, the bolt was kind of long that I picked up because I didn't get the hardware when I bought this wing. So as you can see, I kind of just threw this stuff on here just to compensate for the extra room, but it's fully threaded into there. So this just made sure that it's extremely just tight and solid, you know? So yeah, it's pretty tight and solid. Pretty dope. You might have heard the little rattle noise because some dumbass accidentally dropped a nut inside. So gotta live with that. It looks pretty sick. What do you think of it, Franco?
It looks sick, man.
Sick?
Heck yeah.
I feel like it brings so much more presence to the car. Like I feel like before, like the wheels, there's too much attention to them, but now like it kind of takes attention off because yeah, that's fat though. Shout out Six Stance. We got a Six Stance under there. But it looks pretty sweet. Thanks for coming to today's YouTube video. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We do stuff like this all the time. We like to have a lot of fun on here. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beat down, sari diyan street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.